Good evening. Welcome to my daily show. In this program, I look at Nifty, Bank Nifty, and a couple of stocks that caught my attention. Do this using extremely simple yet effective technical indicators like moving averages, trend lines, and a couple of candlestick patterns. Because I do this using extremely simple indicators, I believe anyone can trade. Also, in this particular YouTube channel, before we go ahead, I would like to point out that in this YouTube channel, I also have two very important playlists. One is called Trading Strategies. In this, it is a fortnightly program where I take one particular indicator like I've already done with moving averages or trend lines, and then I talk about trading strategies that can be associated with these moving indicators. It is extremely useful for anybody who wants to learn more trading strategies. The second playlist that is extremely important and useful, I think, for a trader is called Successful Trader Psychology. And here I use analogies from films or mythologies or sports to highlight the kind of psychology of a successful trader. Both this could be extremely useful, and I encourage viewers to do that. Go and see that. It's a fortnightly thing, both these playlists, and it would be, I think, something that everybody would find interesting. So if you remember yesterday, I had said that my STT system had become a sell. So I had gone short as per my STT system. And today, and I had also talked about the fact that this short-term trend line support has been broken. Also the resistance line on Nifty, which was actually a support line in 2019 and which was acting as a resistance, which had got broken on the upside, had also got broken on the downside yesterday. Today Nifty is in some kind of no man's territory. It is slightly above this resistance line but definitely below this trend line. My STT system is still short, so kind of at this moment in a limbo. We'll wait and see what happens in Nifty. So Bank Nifty, sorry, is presenting a slightly different picture. Yesterday itself, I had said that my STT system had not gone short on Bank Nifty. That was a bit of a worry. Ideally, both these indices should be in the same directions for me to feel more comfortable. But Bank Nifty had not yet gone short yesterday. And today, again, Bank Nifty has done a very small day, has done nothing much, but it has definitely not broken the lows of yesterday. So as you can see, it is above this trend line. So for the moment, Bank Nifty is not yet weak. So even in my short-term trading system, the serve that I trading system that I use to trade my own for my own trading purposes, it's not yet gone short. This is a very interesting chart, Biocon. This is what I'm presenting, and I'm doing that because look at the way this Biocon has pulled back to this 89-day high-low band, and in turn has made such a huge move today. It's almost like a Marubozu candle. After a big red candle, it's a big green candle. Almost always a reversal sign. So and plus a reversal sign coming at this 89-day high-low band. So that itself makes me feel more comfortable about the stock from a buy perspective. So because we talked about the stock that was looking like a buy, I wanted to talk to you about a stock which is the kind of setup that will happen when we are looking at a stock that it could be a sell. So ONGC is, if you can see, is gone down below this 89-day high-low band, is below the 50-day moving average, and here it has gone and taken resistance in this 89-day high-low band. So this kind of pattern kind of clearly suggests that there is some kind of resistance in this area for ONGC, and maybe it could head lower provided these lows in this region is broken. If you like what you saw and you want to be notified about our new videos, then please show your love by subscribing to our channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon too. Don't forget to visit www.themoneymojo.com for more on our training programs, podcasts and blogs.